In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change download location in Brave browser. If you want better control over where your files are stored, changing the default download location in Brave browser is a simple and useful adjustment to make. Whether you prefer saving files to your desktop, Documents folder, or another storage drive, Brave gives you the flexibility to choose exactly where your downloaded content goes. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can organize your files more efficiently and keep your computer clutter-free. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer and wait for the main browser window to fully load. Once everything is visible on the screen, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the browser window. There, you'll find the menu icon, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to open Brave's main menu. After the drop-down menu appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can customize different browser features and manage various preferences related to performance, privacy, and file handling. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, you'll see a navigation panel with several categories listed vertically. From that sidebar, click on Downloads. This section is specifically designed to control how Brave handles downloaded files, including where files are automatically saved on your computer. Inside the Downloads section, look for the setting labeled Location. This shows the folder Brave is currently using as the default destination for all downloaded files. Next to the current folder path, you'll see a button labeled Change. Click on this button to continue. As soon as you click Change, a File Explorer window will open on your screen. This allows you to browse through your computer's folders and select a new location for your future downloads. You can choose any folder that works best for your personal organization system. Some people prefer saving files directly to the desktop for quicker access, while others may choose a dedicated Downloads folder or even an external storage drive to keep files separated from their main system storage. Take a moment to navigate through your folders and locate the destination you want Brave to use going forward. Once you find the folder you'd like to set as your new default location, click on it to highlight and select it. After selecting the folder, click the Select Folder button to confirm your choice. Brave will immediately apply the new setting, and all future downloads will automatically be saved to that folder, unless you decide to change it again later. And that's it. You've successfully changed the download location in Brave browser and customized where your files will be stored moving forward. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.